Okay, so now we're going to look at question 4. Lani borrowed $220,000 at the interest rate of 7.35% per annum. Interest is calculated monthly on the reducing balance of the loan. The loan will be fully repaid with monthly payments of $1,604, and we have to say which of the following statements is not true. So there's two ways that you can approach this. You can put those figures into the finance solver, or you can just have a look and try to determine which of these are true. So if we go through each one, which ones are we sure are true? So if we start at the beginning, his final payment includes interest. Yes, that will be true for an amortized loan. So A is true. B, his first payment reduces the loan by less than $1,604. So we also have to realise that at the beginning of paying off the loan, most of our payment will go towards interest. And that means that the loan will not be reduced by the full payment amount. So B is actually also true. So C, his final payment will be more than $1,604. Well, not quite sure about that yet. Let's have a look at the other options. D, repaying more than $1,604 per month will reduce the term of the loan. Well, that definitely would be the case. If you make extra payments on your loan, you will reduce the time it takes to pay it. And E, his second payment reduces the loan by more than the first payment. So E is also true. If we think about our amortization table and we think about what happens every time we make a payment, some goes to paying the interest first, and the rest will go to reducing the loan. And as we make more and more payments, our loan will definitely reduce more than it did for the previous payment. It's a reducing balance loan. Okay, so that's also true. So just on the basis of elimination, we find that C is the statement that's not true. However, we should be able to do this on CAS. We need to be able to prove that to ourselves as well. So let's just go into the finance solver right now. And the first thing I'm going to do is find out the length of that loan. Okay, I'm going to put in the interest rate. The amount borrowed, sorry, that will be positive. Bank is lending me money. Okay, the payments will be negative. I'm paying those. Well, Lani is paying those. And the future value is assumed to be 0. And we have monthly compounds. Okay. Now, when we solve for n, we get a value of 300.2, so close to 300 months. So a strategy we can use here, we can make n 300, and that will tell us what will be sort of left over, if you like. So let's do that now and go to the future value, and we press enter. And when we press enter, we see that there's still a small amount that we would owe to the bank of $322. So that tells us that the final payment will actually need to be more than $1,604 to finish paying that loan.